Open-plan kitchens have become a cornerstone of modern home design. They offer a spacious and interactive environment that combines cooking, dining, and living areas. But how do you effectively lay out an open-plan kitchen that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing? To lay out an open-plan kitchen, consider functional zones for cooking, dining, and living. Optimize space with a practical layout. Incorporate a central island for versatility. Ensure cohesive design elements to harmonize with adjoining living areas. This comprehensive guide from our kitchen remodel expert will walk you through every step, ensuring your open-plan kitchen is not only beautiful, but also enhances your home's overall functionality. Open-plan kitchens break down the barriers between the kitchen and the rest of the living space. This concept encourages a more social atmosphere, allowing interactions during meal preparation. The key to a successful open-plan kitchen lies in thoughtful layout and design, ensuring that each area within the space serves a specific purpose while maintaining a cohesive feel. The first step in laying out an open-plan kitchen is to assess the available space. Consider the size and shape of your area and think about how you can maximize its potential. It's essential to have a clear understanding of the space you're working with to make informed decisions about layout, furniture, and storage options. Zoning in an open plan involves creating distinct functional areas within a unified layout. This approach ensures each section serves its purpose effectively while maintaining a cohesive environment. The key is to balance separation and openness, ensuring each zone is well-defined yet integrated. In an open-plan kitchen, workflow and movement patterns are designed to ensure smooth transitions. This involves strategically arranging key elements and maintaining clear pathways. There are several layout options for open-plan kitchens, such as L-shaped, U-shaped, or galley style. Each has its advantages and can be tailored to fit your specific space and needs. An L-shaped layout is ideal for smaller spaces, while a U-shaped layout works well in larger areas. Balancing aesthetics and functionality in an open-plan kitchen is about harmonizing visual appeal with practical utility. The design should cater to both the kitchen's operational needs and the desire for an attractive space. This involves choosing materials, colors, and layouts that are both beautiful and conducive to efficient kitchen use. Lighting in open-plan kitchens plays a crucial role in defining the space and enhancing its functionality. It involves using a variety of lighting types to cater to different needs, from task lighting for cooking areas to ambient lighting that creates a welcoming atmosphere. The key is to achieve a balance that illuminates the kitchen effectively while complementing the overall aesthetic. In open-plan kitchens, the choice of color schemes and materials is vital for creating a cohesive space. These elements should work together to enhance the overall aesthetic, while also being practical for kitchen use. The colors and materials need to harmonize with the rest of the open-plan area, ensuring a seamless transition between the kitchen and adjoining living spaces. Incorporating an island into your open-plan kitchen layout involves careful planning. Consider the island's size and position so it complements the overall kitchen flow, providing extra counter space, storage, or seating without obstructing movement. It can serve as a central hub for cooking, casual dining, or socializing, making it a versatile and focal element in your kitchen design. The design and material of the island should align with the kitchen's overall style, seamlessly integrating into the existing decor while adding practical value. Define zones. Identify the different functional areas, cooking, dining, and socializing. Determine the best positions for each based on the flow of movement and interaction. Optimize kitchen layout. Choose a layout that suits your space. Ensure there's ample room for appliances and workflow. The work triangle concept, stove, sink, refrigerator, is a good starting point. Incorporate a kitchen island. If space allows, include an island. It can serve as additional counter space, storage, and a casual dining area. Ensure it doesn't obstruct the flow between zones. Plan storage and appliances. Strategically position appliances for efficiency. Utilize innovative storage solutions to maximize space and minimize clutter. Determine lighting and ventilation. Plan for a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Ensure good ventilation, especially important in open-plan spaces. Choose materials and color scheme. Select materials and colors that complement the overall home design. Consistency in flooring and color palette helps unify the space with adjoining areas. Furniture and decor. Select furniture that fits the scale of the space. Use rugs and lighting to subtly define different areas while maintaining the open feel. Consider accessibility and movement. Ensure there is enough space for comfortable movement around the kitchen and between the different zones. Personalize your space. Add personal touches with decor, artwork, and plants. Reflect your style and make the space welcoming. Review and adjust. Finally, review your plan to ensure functionality and aesthetics. Be open to making adjustments as needed. The beauty of an open-plan kitchen lies in its ability to blend with adjacent living areas seamlessly. Choose a cohesive color scheme and materials that unify the kitchen with the living room or dining area. This approach creates a harmonious and visually appealing environment. While some aspects of designing an open-plan kitchen can be tackled as DIY projects, it's often beneficial to consult with professional designers or architects. They can offer expert advice on layout, materials, and functionality, ensuring your kitchen is both beautiful and practical. Budgeting is a crucial aspect of any kitchen renovation. Determine your budget early on and stick to it throughout the project. Look for cost-saving opportunities such as repurposing existing furniture or choosing budget-friendly materials without compromising on quality or style. Creating an open-plan kitchen is an exciting journey that can significantly enhance your home. By following these guidelines, you can design a space that is not only beautiful, but also caters to your specific needs and lifestyle.